Here's the Samsung Smart TV and just showing you where to find the e-manual if you're ever needing it. So from the remote, click on the menu and go to settings and then support. From here, you're going to see the e-manual. So it says open e-manual. You just have to click on it. And then it's going to show you that you can access the e-manual for instructions and troubleshooting tips. It's going to take a little bit to load most of the time. But here's your e-manual. At the top of it is you can search for guide, troubleshooting, and FAQs, and there's a device care. It's just going to tell you some information on the device care. You can click try now if you want, but we are now going to the FAQs. So the frequently answered questions on the e-manual. We're going to try that first. You can do troubleshooting, you can do first time use or accessibility, but we are going to the FAQ. So on the FAQ, there's a TV screen does not display properly information. Second, the TV does not turn on. Third, the picture is distorted or no sound comes out of the sound bar. Internet access is not available. There is no sound or the speakers are making an odd sound. The remote control does not work. Updating the software and you need help with your Samsung product, there is a YouTube channel that you can watch. There are 8 FAQs in the e-manual section. So you have those, you can check on the FAQs and troubleshooting from there. And here again, to get there, you are gonna go to your settings and then support. From support, you're gonna go to e-manual. And on the e-manual section is the FAQs. So I'm just letting you know. And from there as well, you can type some words or any information that you need. But here's the e-manual. And then once you're done, you can just exit the e-manual